Hi guys, thank you for watching Inday Talks, and today I'll be talking about 100% Filipina. Well, actually, there's a hot news right now in Yahoo Philippines that it involves the clothing brand Bio, and Filipinos are really so offensive with the campaign message. What's your mix? And the question there is really 100% Filipinas are beautiful? Because, well, I think the interpretation of some Filipinos are, if you are not mix beauty, you're not really that beautiful. Well, this is my response to that. Well, I believe that 100% Filipina or Pinay are actually beautiful from inside. Yeah. Do you want me to explain further that Filipinas, 100% blood Filipino Pinay, are really beautiful from inside? Well, the fact actually is, even 100% Pinoy are also beautiful. Di ba, pre? Ang dami. They're already surrounding you. Marami na yan. Di nga. Di ba, dami na kayang beautiful Pinoy.